Andrea again. Andrea Tsima. Can they get a third? Oh, rushing it was Andrea Tsima. Andrea! Still chances! Lailana, oh yes, in swinging corner, and the Barea have equalised. And it's Anisette with the goal. Very well taken corner, it's game on. Anisette makes it 1-1. There was a beautiful corner from Lailana. And he arrived in Egypt on Tuesday. So this is his first game of the Nations. Goal, the good away, Lailana! What a blunder by the Super Eagles defence. It is a gift goal. Lailana. Nomenjana Hari puts it away. Liam Balogun. What was he doing? He had his arm up for it, did Balogun, and then he dithers. What a blunder. John Ogu puts it back, but Balogun had raised his arm saying he wanted it. That is disastrous. Absolutely disastrous. With Odion Igalo scoring. Substitutes. Now, is he onside, Lailana? Yes, he is! It's a goal out of nothing. Madagascar have come from behind to stun Guinea. It's Andrea with the goal. Guinea defenders were ball watching. Permutations for the best third places will be very interesting indeed. That's going to be a free kick to Madagascar. That's given by Wilfred and Didi. Andrea. Off the wall! It's in! Madagascar lead 2-0, and it's Andrea. Everything is going the way of the barrier. Good fortune there again, off the top of the wall. Could Ezenwa have done better? The horns are up there, the barrier, the prize cattle of Madagascar. Extraordinary. I guess that'll go down as an Ndidi own goal. Flying. And then here Metanere tries from outside the box, but it's a swing. It's just on target. And Madagascar almost certainly gone through to the round of 16 of the Total Africa Cup of Nations at their very first appearance. Marco with a second half. It is a Nigerian nightmare and a Malagasy miracle, as the coach is greatly praised.